Hi guys! So today I've got another haul video for you. This is going to be the first video of all of my Christmas themed videos for the year, and this is going to be a haul of all of my DIY supplies that I've bought for my upcoming Christmas crafts, and there's a little bit of wrapping sort of supplies in this video as well. So anything crafty for my upcoming Christmas videos, most of the stuff I'll be showing in this video. If you're interested in seeing what Christmas decorations I've bought this year, then I'm going to be filming it after this video and it will be up next week, so stay tuned for that one. But yeah, this video is just going to be all my crafting supplies. So the first shop I went to was Poundland, so really boring, but first thing I picked up is brown wrapping paper. So I'm going to be using this to do some of my wrapping for this year, just because it's all rustic and natural, and you can do loads of things with brown paper, so you get quite a lot on this roll. 8 meters for £1, so that's really good. The next thing I bought was this Christmas twine, so again £1. I like this, that it had the red and white twine in it. It's just really useful stuff to have anyway. Then I picked up some Christmas baubles, so there's just 12 in this box, and they're just medium-sized baubles, perfect for crafting. And then I just picked up some mini ones as well. These are also £1, but these were 18 pack of little mini ones, and I like that these don't have the string attached to them, because I won't need the string attached to all of these when I use them for my DIYs, so it just saves me having to cut those off when I use them. Then I picked up some bells, so this is a 30 pack of bells and they're in gold, but then I've also picked up some silver as well, so that's really good. You get loads of different sizes of bells in there. And then I just picked up 2 of these little berry sort of mini picks. They say they're present decorations, so you could use them for wrapping presents. If I do some wrapping with that brown paper, it'd be nice to put some of these in it, and just to kind of zhuzh it up a bit. But I might be using these on some of my tree decoration crafts this year. We shall see. So that's everything I got from Poundland. Just picked up something from B&M, just one thing I've got here, and this is just some glitter ribbon. So this wasn't in the Christmas section, this was just in their stationery craft section, and you get 3 yards. Is that per? Who uses yards in the UK? I think that's 3 yards per little reel, but you get loads of different colours, and these were £2. Just something that I bought from eBay. So I picked up some of these what they call embroidery hoops. So I think these were 4 inches or 3.5 inches, and I got a pack of 10 for just under £10. So I'm going to be using those to make some bauble decorations this year. Then I picked up a few things from John Lewis. So I picked up some of these little baubles. You might have seen these in one of my videos I've just recently posted, a follow me around Christmas video. But these are from John Lewis, and these are £1.50 each. So they're just little glass baubles, and they're all on little wire sticks. Originally I think I was going to use these for some of the craft videos I'm going to be doing this year, but I'll see. I'm not sure how I'm going to be using them. I might just literally put them on my tree and use the wire to tie around the branches. I don't know, because they're quite pricey. These are £1.50 for one set. The colours are gorgeous, these red ones are amazing, but yeah, quite expensive for what they are, so they might just go on my tree. I will see. I feel like I'm getting through this really quickly. Just a couple of wrapping things I got from Home Bargains. So I picked up these bows, that's the word I was looking for. White and red, and they've just got some bows. They've got these little sequin little strings that you can wrap around presents, and then just really easy wrapping ribbon. I'm forgetting all my words today. And there's some little tags in there as well. And this was £1.49, but I think the red colour that they've used for the bows, that matte red, it just looks really nice for the price. I think that's really good. And then to go with those ribbons from Home Bargains, I picked up this wrapping paper. So this is so cool, I love it. It's like a candy cane, and this was 99p for 12 meters, so absolutely loads on that roll. So that's going to last me ages, but that was just like really nice with the ribbons that I picked up, so it's super festive. And then I picked up some things from Hobbycraft. So first thing I picked up were these little mini wood slices. So I don't know how many you get, 25 in a pack. Some of them are really small and I'm not sure what I'm going to use them for, but some of the bigger ones I'm going to use them for some ornaments. I'm going to be doing some DIYs with those, and this was £3. Then I picked up some mini cross stitch sets, and these were £2 each or 2 for £3, so they worked out £1.50 each, which I think is really good because it's literally got everything you need to make some really cute little Christmas cross stitches in. Got like all the thread and the needle and the little bit of fabric you cross stitch on. I picked up some felt, so this was 50p for an A4 sheet. It's just like a really nice dark red. Then I just picked up some paint pens. So this is a gold and silver paint pen. These were, I think, £4. Yeah, £4 for the two, which isn't too bad, and I think I'm going to be using them on these little wooden logs when I've painted them. And then from Hobbycraft as well, I just picked up some Fimo again. I used these in some DIYs last year. How much were these again? I can't remember. I think these are only a couple of quid each for a block, and they last forever. So the last thing I got is really big, so I'm going to try and show it here. It's just a wrapping paper bag. So this was from eBay, and I think it was about £6. It's really cheaply made, but basically you just put your wrapping paper in there, and they've got some pockets for like bows and ribbons to keep them all together. So I picked that up off eBay because I started to collect quite a lot of wrapping stuff. So that would be perfect to just keep all that in for Christmas and birthdays and things like that. So that is everything. That was short and sweet. But yeah, if you're interested in seeing my DIY videos I'm going to be doing using some of these bits, then be sure to subscribe. Again, my next video will be my Christmas decorations haul, which will be up next week. So if you're interested in that, then subscribe as well. So I hope you liked the video, and I will see you in the next one.